In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 areas to caulk in your bathroom. Perfect for new home buyers. Okay, looking at the vanity and the sink. So backsplashes. Now, everybody's bathroom isn't going to certainly look like this. Different backsplashes are going to look different, but this one, they don't have a backsplash here. And a lot of times, if you do have a backsplash, there can be cracking or gaps at the backsplash, but this one doesn't have a backsplash. You certainly want to caulk along that back joint so water is not getting back behind there. And then this is a one-piece countertop and sink built in. A lot of times sinks might sit on top of the countertop or they're mounted underneath. You want to caulk along the edge of the sink as well. Looking at the tub. All right, first and foremost, you want to caulk along that edge between the tub and the floor. Dissimilar materials are going to expand and contract at a different rate, and so that can make cracking apparent over time. So you want to be sure to caulk those areas, whether you have vinyl flooring, tile flooring, carpet. Sometimes I guess if you have carpet, you're not gonna caulk, right? But certainly maintaining that. Sometimes it's possible that this joint can also become loose, like with vinyl flooring. Over time that can loosen up. You want to make sure it's secured down so water doesn't get down in there below the floor. And most importantly, if it's on a second story of a home where everything is wood underneath, or if you have a raised foundation where it is wood underneath, you don't want damage to start being caused from water. As you come in and out of the tub, water is going to drip down here, or if you have kids that are splashing around. Now they're around the tub, so you have the floor, but you also want to do all around the tub and the joints. Any of the corners, joints, you want to caulk those. Let's see, another area we want to caulk is at all the pipe penetrations. So around the faucet, around these plates. You want this secured, so as you're taking a shower and water splashing around, you don't want water getting back behind into that wall. You want to secure those. Now, a lot of people think that you're supposed to caulk around the toilet. So along this joint here. Now, that would be for cosmetic purpose. And some people might do that because there's a smell. Now, if there's a smell, a sewer smell coming out, that means that your gasket, your wax ring, is not secure between the toilet and the drain line. So you want to certainly have that checked out if you're having any type of sewer gases coming through there, but you do not have to caulk around that. Again, that's just cosmetic. Yeah, not needed. So we have backsplash, sink, we have along the floor of the tub, we have around the tub, and all the pipe penetrations coming through.